Today we're in Energylandia and this is the water park in 5 minutes. This video is only going to be featuring the water park. If you want to see the rest of the theme park, then you can check out our 4-day vlogs and theme park videos. Let's go! All the lifeguards are here, they're all ready to get started. The people are waiting to go in the pool. And everyone else is just looking at us like, why are these two idiots walking around in their swimming costumes? There's going to be no queues for any slide. Here we go.
I just finished the water slides. Troy's still going, but I came here to pick up the camera to record him. I just heard him screaming.
That's the best one.
The ride that Troy just did, people wait for 2 hours to do it in the high season. I mean, I know that, but in the same time, it's like, we just did it in 3 seconds. And Troy did it twice, back to back. Troy's taking this one for the team.
And that was the Energylandia Waterpark in 5 minutes.
It's only 5 minutes because we're freezing.
See you next time. Subscribe. Oh, it really has to be only 5 minutes today. It's freezing.
Or 2 minutes.
We're not staying here for longer than 5 minutes today.